Exercise 13.7. Today we will start volume of cone. So this is a right circular cone of radius r. This is slant height and this is height. ठीक है. So this is base area pi r square and this is height. So volume of cone is equal to pi r square h 1 upon 3 pi r square h cubic unit. It is 1/3 of the radius of cylinder. When radius of cylinder and radius height of cylinder is equal to the cone, जब r और h cone और cylinder के बराबर होंगे, see here, this height is equal, this radius is equal, then volume of cone is 1/3 volume of cylinder. 1/3 volume of cylinder. Now question number first. Find the volume of right circular cone. Find करना है volume of cone, right circular cone. Radius है 3.5 सेंटीमीटर and height है 12 सेंटीमीटर. This is second part. Now volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Putting the values 1 upon 3, 22 into 7, 3.5 into height is 12. This 10 comes down. Now cut it. You will get 3 4s are 12, 7 5s are 5 2s are 5 2s are 11 and 5. 2 से काटा 5 7s are again 2s are, so it becomes 11 into 7 into 2 centimeter cube. Now 22 into 7, it becomes 154 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cone. Now second question. Question 2 of this exercise. Question 2. Find the capacity. It means you have to find volume in liters. You have to find capacity in liters given to you. First part I will take. Given to you, radius is equal to 7 centimeter and in slant height, this is not h, this is slant height 25 centimeter. Now see here, this is a right circular cone. This slant height is given to you 25 centimeter L. This R is given to you 7. This is a right triangle inside cone. This is height. So we can find height. We know that slant height is equal to h square plus r square. So slant height is 25. H square don't know. R is 7 ka square. So h square is equal to 25 into 25. 625 and 49 comes here. So h square is equal to, सब्ट्रैक्ट लीजिए, 15 में से 9 जाएगा 6 है ना, कितना बचेगा, फिर 4 है और हो जाएगा 11 में से 4 गया 7 and 576. Taking square root of 576, it becomes 24 सेंटीमीटर। हाइट कितनी आ गई 24, so h is now 24. So volume of cone या कैपेसिटी लीटर में निकालेंगे। So volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h cubic unit, 1/3 into 22/7. What is r? 7 into 7. And what is h? 24 centimeter cube. This 7 cancel out. This will cut and comes 8. 22 into 7, 154 into 8 centimeter cube. When you multiply it, you will get 12 8 the 32, 43 and 132 centimeter cube. So we have to find capacity in liters. So what you do, divide by 1000, it comes in liter. So it is 1.232 liter. 1.232 liter. Now I take question number 3rd. First two are directly formula based. Question number 3rd. Question 3rd. The height of a cone is given to you. Given क्या है? Height of cone is given to you 15 centimeter. Volume is 1500 centimeter cube. Find the radius of base. Find क्या करना है? Radius निकालना है r और पाई को क्या यूज लेना है? 3.14. It is mentioned to you. Now we know that volume of cone कितना होता है? 1/3 pi r square h. What is volume is given to you 1570. Units are same. 1/3 into 3.14. It is given to you. R is don't know and height is 15 centimeter. Now this decimal will remove. Cross multiplied 1570 into 100 into 3 upon 314 into 15 is equal to r square. So what you do, you cut with 5 है ना, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are either you cut it with, इसको 5 से काट दो, 3 5s are 15 and if you multiplied it 1570 into 100 upon, इसको multiply करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 1570 आ जाएगा is equal to r square. This will cut. So r square is equal to 100 and r is equal to 10 centimeter. So radius of cone is 10 centimeter.